Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our soft trifold bed cover. Now this is a heavy duty vinyl stretched over an aluminum frame for a great look and even better durability. It simply clamps into place, and from there you can fold it up and you can see the heavy duty aluminum frame with seals all the way around the perimeter to make it as weatherproof as possible. You'll also notice aluminum bows that create a crown in the cover to make sure that water runs off and it does not sag under snow and the like. You can flip it up and out of the way and secure it in place with these heavy-duty buckles. This is a great looking cover. It's got a sleek profile, just over 1 inch tall. And installation, if you can even call it that, is a breeze. Let's hit the rewind button and I'll show you just how I did it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is install our bulkhead seal. This is gonna go at the front of the bed at the cab. We're gonna wanna make sure this surface is nice and clean. I'm just gonna hit it with some glass cleaner. That way we can make sure that the seal's gonna stick. Now we're gonna take our seal, lay it out, figure out how much we need, and cut it to length. Now that we've done that, we'll peel back the protective backing, revealing the adhesive, and install it on the truck. All right, now we're ready for the cover. I'll set it in place, fold it out completely, make sure that it's square to the truck, then I'll get under there and tighten down the clamps on the first panel, and that's the installation. We'll clamp down the last panel and we'll be done. All right, I think that's it. Let's clamp it down. All right, so now we'll take our clamp, and on this truck, this bed cap is flush with the actual metal. If it wasn't, you would need to cut a pocket to the edge of the metal so that when this clamp clamps down, it's not clamping down on the plastic, it's grabbing the metal. Also, in that same vein, if you have a drop-in bed liner, you'll need to cut a hole for this bracket to fit through so that it grabs metal. So we'll just tighten this up, do the same to the other side, and we'll fold the cover out and clamp it down. Give it a couple of turns to make sure it's nice and tight, and then we will under the bed rail and clamp it down. And clamp it down. And that completes the installation. Nice and simple. That's the great thing about this cover. You can drop it on, clamp it down, and secure the contents of your bed. But then if you need the use of the entire bed, you simply unclamp it, take it off the truck, and you're good to go. Now this is just one of the many options we offer for bed covers on trucks. Find yours today at roughcountry.com.